Hi guys, this is Roy with Volkswagen of Olympia. I'm sitting in a 2021 Volkswagen Passat, and we're going to go over how to pair your Bluetooth with it. Once you guys get in the vehicle here, go ahead and get your phone ready under settings to go to your Bluetooth. And on the car, push the phone, little button there, and it's going to search for this VW BT3300, which is usually the VIN of the car. Once you have that ready, go over to your phone and scan under your Bluetooth, and you'll see where it says VW BT3300. It matches. Go ahead and tap it, and your phone, once your phone finds it, you want to hit pair and then yes over here. Give it a few seconds. It should connect automatically. Once it does, it's going to ask you if you want to allow contacts. Always allow that, and hit OK over here and allow again for messages, and it's pretty much paired up at that point. Now it's just uploading contacts, which is now imported, and there's all your contacts. Phone's ready to go, ready to use through the speaker and in the vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you guys find the video useful, please like and subscribe.